Good morning. Did you study the last class? All are. Somebody submitted their notebook. They write it on their notebook and submitted. Then you don't want to submit through WhatsApp. Neatly write by a single page, single ruled notebook. 200 pages, single ruled notebook, and neatly write it in the notebook and keep it safe. Okay, then when the school open, I will check. Then otherwise it is very difficult to check through WhatsApp. That's why. Okay, don't be lazy. Madam will not check. Madam will not ask. Then I will ask. Then I will give the homeworks. You want to do that also? Okay, then I will ask to you. Then children, you don't be think this is language. No need to study. Then if you want to get a improvement, you should know the language. Look, then I will. Then if you studying chemistry, then sir come and write water. Water. H2O. If you don't know the language, you don't know what is water, what is H2O. You don't know. After that, sir want to explain. It is the scientific method of or scientific name of water. 2 hydrogen is there, 1 oxygen is there. That's why we call it water, H2O. Then like that, you want to study any elements, alloys, then base, alkali, acids, anything. What is the chemical name of baking soda? You know, sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda, sodium carbonate. If you want to know the language, if it is a max, then one example, Raju got a promotion in 12th standard. In the academic year, he needed total 18 notebooks. At the total cost of the notebook, 350 rupees or 390 rupees. At the present time with him had only 290 rupees. How many rupees he should pay later? When you hearing the word problem, you don't know the language, you don't know what you want to do here, isn't it? Then if you want to know the language, then only you can understand which symbol want to use here. Addition, subtraction or division, like that. Any subject, if it is SS, cyclones, climate, soils, everything. Then other physics, waves, sounds, lenses, eyes, everything. Then if you want to know, you know the what language. So you don't be lazy, children. Look, we can go next stanza. Take your notebook, all are. If you have notebook, take all are your notebook and carefully listen the class. What we said? Then say the Raja Bhagirath took what a effort to do. Ganga could get down, bring Ganga to get down. That's why you also do your homeworks to enhance our country. Okay, then look next. हमें देश की रक्षा करनी है प्रतिकूल हवाओं से, हमको है घर द्वार सजाने नई नई आशाओं से, अंधकार से जूझ देश की गली गली उजियारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. Once more look. हमें देश की रक्षा करनी है प्रतिकूल हवाओं से, हम है घर द्वार सजाने नई नई आशाओं से, अंधकार से जूझ देश की गली गली उजियारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. What the poet telling here? What the poet telling to you? Then the poet is telling to you, you know the words meaning? This stanza, there have no any difficult words. Pratikul means, Raksha means protect. Pratikul. Pratikul means opposite. Opposite. Then Raksha means Raksha, protect. Protect. Okay. Next word Sajana. Sajana, to decorate. To decorate. Andhagar, darkness. Andhagar and all simple meanings. You are in the 8th standard students, no need. Andhagar, darkness. Dwar means door. Dwar means door. Junjna. Junjna is a one no word. Junjna, to face. To face. Gully. Gully means what? Gully means street. Okay. So otherwise small village. Street. Okay. Look what the poem is telling to you, children. In the opposite circumstances, you have protect our country. You have protect our country. Then how you want to protect our country? Each and every opposite circumstances, how you want to protect your country? Then how we decorating our door, in house door? How we decorating our house door or main door? Then using your new ideas. Okay, using your new ideas, like that you should enhance our country to using your new aims and new ideas. Understood, children? How you protect our country? How you decorate our country? That you will protect our country each and every opposite circumstances, and you will decorate our country to using your new ideas and aims. Understood? Okay. Next look. Once more. अंधकार से जूझ देश की गली गली उजियारे हम अपना देश संवारे हम. Then you face all darkness. Here is a darkness. Don't move from there. Then you should face it all darkness. After that, you remove each and every darkness. Then you should enlighten each and every street. Okay, the poet is telling you are the new gen, you don't think, this is I can't, that is I can't, it is a difficult, that is a difficult. Don't think like that. You are the new gen, so you should face all difficult situation and all darkness, you remove it. After that, you enlighten each and every street. Okay. Next look. हम प्रतिरूप नए युग के हैं, सूरज नूतन क्षमता के, नए क्षितिज के अन्वेषी हम, पोषक हम जन समता के, अपना सबका मानवता का मिलजुल पन बुहारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, what the poet is telling here? Once more look. हम प्रतिरूप नए युग के हैं, सूरज नूतन क्षमता के, नए क्षितिज के अन्वेषी हम, पोषक हम जन समता के, अपना सबका मानवता का मिलजुल पंथ बुहारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, here again the poet is telling Pradiroop. The some meanings you look. Pradiroop. Pradiroop. Representative. Representative. Next word. New words. What coming here? New words. Kshamata. Kshamata. Kshamata means what? You know Kshamata? Potential. The meaning was potential. Potential means what? In that Malayalam meaning one ആന്തരിക ശക്തി, ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്നുണ്ടാവുന്ന ഒരു പ്രേരണല്ലേ, that is ക്ഷമത, potential. Potential. Next what? Kshitij. Naye Kshitij. New field. Kshitij means field, the area. Kshitij, what are the area you need to work? That is called Kshitij here. Kshitij. Field. Naya Kshitij means new field. Okay. New field. Next what? Anyushi means search. Anyushi, search. Poshag. Poshag one new word. Poshag. Supporter. पोषक क्या है? सपोर्टर. Samada. Samada means what? Samada, you studied this and all. Equality or unity. Equality or unity. Okay. Buhare, that also difficult word. Buharna means buharna, to clean. To clean. Okay. Look what the poet is telling here. What? हम प्रतिरूप नए युग के हे सूरज नूतन चमदा के नए क्षितिज के अन्वेषी हम पोषक हम जन समदा के. Then we are the representative of new eras. You are the children, you are representative of the new eras. How you are representative of our country? The poet is telling here one example. How the sun is exploring his own horizon or his own potential. Okay, so like that, we are the people. We also stand with a potential power, like a sun. What the poet telling here? We are the representative of new era of our country. Then poet telling one example, how the sun is standing his own potential, like that you also support your potential. You also take your potential to enhance our country. You just search it new areas. You should work it there. Okay, you should search new areas. What are the areas are there? Area means here one area say no, it is not. Then that means your new ideas. You should work it in that areas. And for what you just using your ideas and using your aims. For what you? Then apna, for you, apna, for us, for others, for all. Apna manava, apna sabka manavada. To whom? Apna sabka manavada. Looks once more. Then how the Suraj is searching, how the Suraj is explorer to standing his own potential. Like that you also search new areas and you use your potential power to upgrade our country. And for what you using these powers? To apna sabka manavada, for you, for others and for all. And miljulpan buhare ham, you should clean each and everything and together. You should clean the each and everything together and you should enhance our country. Got it, children? I think you all are understood this poem. Isn't it? Okay. Now we are going to tell the Hindi Sarams. यहाँ कवि इस कविता में अपना देश संवारे हम, इस कविता में आपके सामने कहती है कि अपना देश संवारने के लिए. क्या कहती है? अपना देश संवारने के लिए. कवि कहते हैं कि बच्चे, आप नए पीढ़ियों के युवक हैं, आप मिलजुल कर अपना देश संवारें. अपना पावन धरती आप मिलजुल कर संवारें. कैसे लिए आप संवारे, आप एक प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए कैसे उसका काम किए हैं और एक सन्नद्ध सिपाही कैसे काम करे हैं, उसी तरह आप अपना देश के लिए अपना काम करो। ओके, देन बाद में कवि कहते हैं कि एक कुदाली कैसे कठिन प्रयत्न करते हैं, एक कुदाली कैसे कठिन प्रयत्न करते हैं, जैसे भगीरथ कठिन तप के साथ गंगा को गिरने के लिए प्रयत्न करें, वैसे ही आप अपना कामयाब करो एंड अपना देश संवारे। बाद में कवि कहते हैं कि सभी एक प्रतिकूल हवाओं, प्रतिकूल अवस्थाओं आप स्वीकार करें। कैसे आप अपना घर के द्वार सजाती है, वैसे ही आप अपने देश को सजाने के लिए कोशिश करो एंड अपना देश सुंदर बने। अंत में कवि कहते हैं कि हम नए पीढ़ियों, यह नए युग के प्रतिरूप है। देन इनमें से सूरज, जैसे सूरज अपना क्षितिज अन्वेष करती है, खोज करती है, उसी तरह आप अपने क्षितिज खोज करो, अपना काम करो, प्रयत्न करो और समता के लिए आप खड़े हैं, अपने लिए, सबके लिए, मानव के लिए। किसके लिए? अपने लिए, सबके लिए, मानव के लिए आप अपना काम करो एंड अपना देश संवारे और अपना देश सुंदर बने। ओके, I hope all are understood this poem and you have one exercise. What is the exercise? Then you must find from this poem many new words are here. I already written on the board that new words also. From these words or from the chapter you should find it which one is the difficult word or naya shabd. Okay, new words or naya shabd. Okay, we can see later. Bye.